What's going on, YouTube? We back, man. Another video. I feel relaxed. We just left the salon. What's it called? Not salon. We just left getting
the day spa.
The day spa right now. And right now we are on our way to go. I told y'all I was gonna bring another G body to the channel. So right now we are actually going to look at this G body right now, and probably if I like it, I'm gonna have my guy go ahead and hook up to it. Grab the steering wheel so I can see below. I'm gonna have my guy go ahead and come hook up to it, bring it back to the house. I've been talking to the guy for like a week, and he's been telling me, you know, he bought it, he planned on LS swapping it, but he's like, man, I just, you know, I'm busy, I don't have time for it. I'm really busy and don't have time for it too, but I've been realizing if you just get the start, and you got the start, man, you can get to it whenever you have time. So as long as I got the start, I'm good with that. We're going to look at it, and hopefully it's everything he said it is. He says it cranks over, all that other good stuff, it just won't start. And he already told me the transmission don't have reverse, and it's just a lot that goes into it that I'll let y'all know probably in the next video or something. We actually going over the full car, but I told him pretty much when I get there, if I like the car, I'll buy it. But if it's got rotted floors, you know, he said the car's solid. You know, it's got all the trim, everything. If stuff's missing and the floors are bad, I'm just not gonna buy it. I don't feel like dealing with replacing floors and all that other stuff, because this car right now, I'm just trying to build it for dirt cheap.
Red light.
I'm gonna make it. That's why I'm actually like, the motor's gonna stay in it. We're gonna stay with the 307. I don't know what we're gonna do transmission wise. We may take the tranny out of it and just throw it on the table and rebuild it in my garage. If it just don't have reverse, we can do that. That'll be something for me to do and bring to the channel as well. So this car, like I said, will be built on a complete budget. Like it's gonna be, it needs paint. So I realize that paint shops be scamming when they be upselling paint, charging you. I mean, I'm just gonna go buy all the materials by myself. That way, and I'm gonna break the whole car down myself. That way, literally the only thing that I'm paying you for is to paint it. You're not putting it back together, any of that. So yeah, we're trying to go around that. I'm not dealing with those that scamming anymore. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm about to focus on the highway and make my way over here and check out this Cutlass and let y'all check it out with me as well. Made it out here to show y'all this Cutlass, man. So we just seen that the motor is free and do turn over, so that's a plus. Transmission said it ain't got no reverse, but we'll figure that out. Man, put the rallies on it. Interior look good. We just looked at the floors. Floor is solid. Interior all the way there. We're gonna have to put a new column in it because he said it got stolen from him in the years past, but he got it back. So we're gonna do some trim on the doors. It's gonna be a nice little project. But the thing for now is, like I said, I'm gonna go through it. Now that I know the motor turns over, we're gonna pull all the plugs out. We're gonna check compression on every cylinder. Make sure that's good. There you go. So we got it. He actually towing it for me back to the house. So we went ahead and hooked it up. The dude showed me that the engine does turn over, so that's a plus. That's what I was hoping for, is that the engine would turn over, and the engine does turn over, so that's good. So that'll give me a chance to bring my compression gauge home, everything, check the compression on all the cylinders, make sure that's good. We'll do an oil change on it, quick tune up, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, all that stuff, and hopefully we'll be able to throw some fuel down his neck and see what happens. So that's where we are right now. We're about 10-15 miles from the house. So yeah, y'all see it, the new Cutlass we got. I'm trying to go over this build because it's gonna be real cheap. I don't plan on spending a lot of money on this car because it's gonna keep that 307. What you laughing at?
Because you always plan on not spending a lot of money on it.
Look, I ain't spent a lot of money on that Cadillac.
Okay.
But look, we're gonna get this get it done on a budget, within my budget. And the most expensive part of this build will probably be paint body, because I'm gonna do every last bit of this car by myself. So anyway, let's get this car to the house. We're gonna get it unloaded in the garage and give y'all a quick overview. And y'all tell me what y'all think. So, back home now. See, we got the Cadillac in its spot. And the old G body is back in its spot. Old Cutlass. Once I get my lights and stuff swapped over here, I'll get y'all some better shots of it. Right now I don't have. Actually, let me turn the lights on real fast. Show y'all the G body. Well, that didn't really help, but I need to move. I think I'm gonna break this down into two pieces. Have one on this wall and one over here. Maybe I may get a third one too and just put on behind this wall right here. Y'all see, I got myself a Christmas gift from work at the Christmas party. New TV in the garage. 75-inch TV in the garage is crazy, but it's where I spend all my time. But as y'all see, we got an 86 Cutlass Supreme. Still got the badges on there. It's actually really good shape too. It's a Cutlass Supreme Chrome. Okay. So, as I was talking to the guy when I got it from, he bought it with the plan of building it, but he's like, man, I'm in the process of building my box Chevy, so I can't really, you know, do two things at once. And I was like, bro, I'm almost to the end with my Cadillac, but I'm just with some other parts with my Cadillac. I just, you know, I'm waiting on the right time. Like my interior, I don't trust anybody around here, which is crazy, in my whole state to do my interior. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, man, when you're in Oklahoma, a lot of these shops, man, these people, they just integrity in what they have, man. And I stand on that. So that's why this thing's still waiting on the interior. But it looks good, so I'm gonna just drive it like it is for now. And actually, I gotta take this one. The intake will be getting done on it pretty soon. But back to the Cutlass. We got the Cutlass. We're gonna do a new top. We haven't figured out a paint scheme yet for it. Definitely my guy Steve Ellis is gonna hit it for me. But what I'm gonna do to make it easier on him and myself, like budget wise, is I'm just gonna take the whole car apart. I'm gonna take all the trim off, the lights, the front bumpers, the windshield trim, all this trim will come off, all the wipers, the door trim, inside, outside. We're gonna take it all off. That way he don't have much to do, so the labor won't be that high. He's just gonna get into body working it, painting it, fixing all that stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be the process with that. The trunk, I don't know how bad this is. We'll probably try to get that fixed. Don't look too bad. Looks like I can just throw a new lock in it. New tail lights, which I think he said it had some in the trunk, so I may open it and look. But I did notice a few things that can be fixed. This front fender is bent a little bit. We'll probably just pull that back out, get it straight. And same with the rear fender over there. Got a hole here, we'll probably just fiberglass. But as I was looking under it, when I get out, kind of got my new J's on today, so don't plan on crawling on the ground. About to go spend time with my wife and the kids, but we'll show y'all the underside once I get out of my good clothes and put on my garage clothes. But yeah, y'all see it, 86 Cutlass. We're gonna have to put a new column in it. We got a clean Oklahoma title. He got it stolen, what he said. It had got stolen at one point in time, and the guy got it back. So show y'all underneath the hood. No, I hate holding these damn hoods. Oh my God. If it'll decide to open, let me grab something and try to lift up on it because it don't want to open. Get it up. Let's figure it out. So we pop that. It's got most of the trim. He said a lot of the rest of the trim stuff's in the trunk, so hopefully he's right there. God damn. What the hell? The hood ain't popping. Hang on. Could have swore I pulled that. It's pulled, but the hood is up. I just can't get it up. Anyway, I ain't got one hand. I ain't about to fight this hood. I'll get it open. But y'all see the process. I'm thinking about going back with a silver, the new silver, maybe. Look at the interior in this car, though. Let me watch my door. Everything's all intact. All the wood is there. Of course, you know the dash is gonna have a few cracks, but all the dash, the wood is still good. The seats has one little spot right here. Be sewed back together. Back seats all there. Headliners all there. This is a great start, so I'll keep y'all updated on it, man. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about the new project. New project for the channel. 86 Cutlass, Supreme. All of this stuff. This won't go back on the car. I don't like that stuff on there anyway, so that'll be off. But man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. It's gonna be fun, man, a fun process. And y'all going every step of the way, just like we've been going every step of the way with this. I'm actually gonna put the stripes on this one tomorrow, so we'll get y'all a video of that. Get the stripes laid down on this one. Everything's just coming back together, man. Like I said, with God, you can do anything, man, if you keep the faith and you just keep working hard and keep the main thing the main thing. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and we underway. This is actually the first G-body. We got another G-body on the way as well. So we'll see y'all in the next video, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we out.